I'm Connie Center, Director of Construction at Torrance Memorial, and I'm here to update you on the new main tower project. It's July of 2013, and in today's video, we want to show you the technology that we've been using to get us here so far. So let's go across the street to the construction trailers and meet with Joe Jurgen, Assistant Project Manager, and see how we've accomplished this. So we're standing in the plan room, Joe. Where are all of the plans? I don't see any paper here.
We use an electronic plan room here, Connie. Everything's all done in the computer. If we weren't using this, there'd be about 5,000 sheets of paper stacked up on all these tables.
Joe, you are going to have to straighten us out. What are we looking at?
Okay, so if we look at the floor plan for the second floor, we can zoom in on the operating room. I can go to the detail page for that by clicking on the link. I used to have to flip to that sheet that was numbered on the page in another set of drawings, but now it's all hyperlinked together and it's easy to navigate quickly.
Well, why don't you take us through the process of layering system on system, and let's see what we end up with.
What you can see in the gray is the steel structure. On the floor we have the concrete slab for the second floor, and overlaid on that is a two-dimensional drawing that we're going to build off of. So I'm just going to start adding in the various systems. The first one are the steel structures that support the booms in each of the operating rooms. As I add layers, they'll be highlighted in blue. The next one is going to be the electrical system, so all the conduit that the wiring is fed through that feed all of the rooms up on the second floor. Next one is the ductwork, followed by the plumbing. You can see it's getting really complicated and dense already. And then we have fire sprinkler system and seismic bracing.
How does that help you out in the field?
So we have tablet computers that have all the same information synchronized onto the tablet that we can take with us out on our walk. We have not only the plans, we also have the 3D model on there, so if we need to look up an issue or try and find what something is, we have the 3D model, and then we have the plan, and we have all the capability we would have here in the plan room on the tablet.
Other technology includes the use of smartphones for inspection purposes.
So Connie, what we're looking at here is we have an incomplete vertical head wall. It's missing the trim piece up there. So using technology nowadays, I would create a punch list real time through my phone by dictating it to it. And as soon as I go back to the office, it comes up as a live spreadsheet. If I hit record notes, and simply say missing trim piece at vertical head wall, room 5110, and that's it.
Well, great.
I can even add a photo. So if I want to add a photo, I would simply take a picture. In essence, this just created a Excel spreadsheet with the photo on McCarthy letterhead, all from my phone, and it's fast and easy.
Efficiency with surveying is accomplished by using a tool called a Trimble.
It allows survey to be done with one person for one thing. It also allows us to use a mini tablet computer to load computer-assisted drawings into it and survey these complex buildings with one person. And the degree of accuracy which it does it is down to a 32nd. So it's a remarkable piece of technology.
Wow, so this screen that we're looking at right here, boy, clearly that looks like the footprint of the building.
All the points for this whole job are stored in this. Once the gun is set on a point where it's a known point and sights a known point, it orientates itself, and then from there does all the math internally to shoot any point that we want to shoot. This technology has really allowed architects to become more creative with the shapes of the buildings and allowed us contractors to actually be able to build it. It has been a great time saver for us out here in the field.
That's great. Well, thanks for taking the time to show us a little bit about how you're using technology out on the job site.
Anytime.